Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, the Aussie CAD can be a little bit of a hard one to get a good count on because it's so overlapping. It's pretty much just all three-way patterns everywhere as you look, which is why it could just be like a WXYXZ pattern. But as of right now, I have it labeled as a WXY right here because it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Likely this is going to be another 1, 2, 3 pattern to the upside for the wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So I think that the wave X ends right here actually. So that means that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. Because a wave Y should be three waves. So A, probably down for an ABC of B, and then eventually 5 waves back up for a C to complete the ABC of Y is what I believe is going to happen. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely had a nice little break of structure down to the recent downside recently. This is probably a 1, probably a 2, and we're likely in a wave 3 right now. If this is a wave 3, which it definitely looks like it is a wave 3, then it is very likely to go down probably at least minimum to the 161.8. And if it is what it looks like it is on the higher time frames, it's probably eventually going to go down and start taking out all these structures. At least some of them, because this should be an ABC correction to the whole move up. So overall, it's probably going to end up looking something like this for a big old ABC of wave B, like I showed on the higher time frame. So ABC of B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely think this is a wave 1. I think this is a wave 2. I think we're now in a wave 3. If this is a wave 3, then it will definitely just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, eventually finishing off the wave 3, the wave 4, and the wave 5. My target for something like this is normally the 61.8, right around the 0.8940 area, probably for the wave A of wave B, like that three-way pattern I showed on the higher time frames. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of a tricky little move. I mean, this move down was very clearly a trend. Just the move up kind of looks like a trend too. So I was originally thinking this was going to be an A, this was going to be a B, and it was going to go up again for a C and give us a nice clear entry to go short for the ABC of 2. But that's not really what happened, and it looks like it is continuing the downtrend. So as long as it doesn't break structure to the upside, I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. If this really is a wave 3, I'm sure there's going to be plenty of pullbacks along the way, but for the most part, it should continue to make lower lows, lower highs on about the 4 hour time frame to make this 3, 4, 5 of what's probably a wave A of wave B, which is probably a wave B of wave Y on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.